DJI just announced the new Osmo Pocket 2 camera, which is a portable and pocket-sized camera that's great for content creators. And in this video, I'm going to go over all of the features so you can decide if this is the camera for you. So let's get into it. Welcome to my channel. I'm Desiree and I do reviews on camera gear as well as photo and video tutorials. So if you like this type of content, then consider subscribing. I actually own the first Osmo Pocket and it's a great little camera, but as usual, they always come out with a new version of every camera. So this Osmo Pocket 2 definitely has some new features that improves on some of the other features that the Osmo Pocket didn't have or could use some work on. This camera is so small, it fits in your pocket, making it really convenient to take with you on the go if you just want to take some shots. This is like the ideal vlogging camera because it's not as noticeable as if you're carrying around a mirrorless camera on a Joby tripod. So I'm going to go over the features of the DJI Osmo Pocket 2 and see how they compare to the Osmo Pocket. So the Osmo Pocket 2 has a 1/1.7 inch sensor, which is a much bigger sensor than the first one. The Osmo Pocket 2 has a 64 megapixel sensor. Osmo Pocket 1 only a 12 megapixel sensor. It has a 3-axis gimbal, which gives you stabilized shots, which is a great feature to have on such a small camera. If you were to put a regular small camera on a gimbal, that's gonna cost you way more than just having this option that's all-in-one. It has Active Track 3.0, which is an upgraded version of the Active Track that's on the Osmo Pocket. The lens on the Osmo Pocket 2 is a 20mm lens, making it slightly wider than the Osmo Pocket 1, which was a 26mm lens. Both cameras can record HD 2.7K and 4K, and you can go up to 4K 60 on both cameras. So the new one has time-lapse, motion-lapse, and hyperlapse, which also the Osmo Pocket 1 had, but now you can also do HDR recording. Both cameras can do 120 frames per second in slow motion, but the Osmo Pocket 2 can also do 240 frames per second in slow-mo, which the first one cannot. And the battery is the same in both. You can record up to 140 minutes on that battery, but that's at 1080. At 4K, it is a little bit shorter, at least on the Osmo Pocket 1. And it now has zoom. The first Osmo Pocket did not have any zoom at all. So this is definitely a brand new feature that you can only get on this new version. It has 4 built-in microphones now, which is definitely an upgrade for better sound, because in the previous version, if somebody else was filming you and you were in front of the camera, the microphone was actually pointed towards the person filming, not the person in front of the camera. So you didn't get great audio if you were being filmed by somebody else. But this now allows you to get better audio all around. You can connect it to your phone to have a bigger screen and also to utilize all of the features that are on the camera through the Mimo app. So there are 2 options for the Osmo Pocket 2. You can either get the camera by itself or you can get the creator combo, which I recommend you do if you decide to get this camera, because with the Osmo Pocket 1, I always had to buy accessories for it. I had to buy the microphone adapter. I had to buy a tripod adapter. So if you just get the Pocket 2, it comes with the mini control stick, a cover, a tripod mount, a wrist strap, the smartphone adapters, and a power cable. But with the creator combo, you get all of that, plus a splitter charging cable, a wireless microphone, the windscreen for the microphone, a do-it-all handle, a micro tripod, and a wide angle lens, which comes in handy because I had to buy a wide angle lens for my Osmo Pocket because I found that it just wasn't wide enough to film myself. So if you're just gonna get the Osmo Pocket 2 alone, that is going for $349. And if you're gonna get the creator combo, that is $499. And the price for the creator combo is definitely worth it because of all the accessories you get, because you can easily spend more money on accessories just for this little camera. So this is definitely a great camera for content creators to get because it's just small and portable. You can easily put it in your pocket or your bag and it's just so convenient. I'll see if I'm gonna get the Osmo Pocket 2 because it is a great camera. I love the Osmo Pocket 1. It would be nice to have a second Osmo Pocket just to have multiple angles for my shoots, but I'll guess I'll see if I get it or not. So let me know in the comments below if you are considering getting the Osmo Pocket 2. And thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more gear related videos like this one. And if you're not following me on social media, please follow me here. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.